potentially dangerous weather situations. Specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties: Allen, Auglaize, Defiance, Hancock, Harding, Logan, Mercer, Paulding, Putnam, Shelby, Van Wert, and Wyandotte. This concludes the weekly test of weather radio station WXJ 93 Cridersville, Ohio. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of impending hazard. Tests of these receivers are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area, the test will be postponed until the following day. This ends the test of the National Weather Service weather radio warning alarm. Mostly cloudy. Highs in the upper 30s. West wind. On the latest weather map, a cold front coming in the later today and night, followed by high pressure system strong coastal low pressure system develops for the weekend, while winter low pressure systems is greenland. Will occur even though the extent is 40 degrees northwest Ohio. Saturday, no showers likely activated for high winds upper mornings, following morning snow 70%. Saturday night, mostly cloudy, low upper split. Sunday, mostly cloudy, a show of rain with no showers in the morning. Highs in upper 30s. Precipitation Sunday night, mostly cloudy, lows in the upper 20s. Monday, mostly cloudy, highs around 46. Monday night, cloudy. But for more information, see our website at www.weather.gov/weather on weather radio under local information. We now return to regular programming. Each wind is around 5 miles an hour, becoming south after midnight. Friday.